Hi, my name is Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable strap. This will be great for projects such as backpacks, purses, anything like that, or whatever brought you to this video. I really hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll write you back. Let's get into it. So the first thing you'll need is your strap. Then you'll need lobster clasps, if you choose to put those on your bag, and an adjustable slide buckle. In this example today, I'm going to show you using this strap that has a black side, which is going to be our right side, and a white side that's going to be our wrong side, to make it easier for you to visualize what we are doing. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to flip our strap so the wrong side is facing up, grab our slide buckle adjuster, so this is the bottom, and have that facing up. Then we are going to take our strap and feed it down through the buckle and back up. Just like that. We're going to fold over our end here, and we're going to sew a placement stitch or use rivets to secure this end. So this is what our strap looks like so far. Now we are going to add one of our lobster clasps. So to do this, we're going to take our clasp and we're going to put it with the clip side down, and we're just going to feed it through the end like so. Fold it over. We're going to go back to our slide buckle adjuster, and we are again going to feed it up now and down through the top. We're just gonna pull that through. And you're just gonna pull it all the way to the end just to make sure it's not twisted. Flip our strap facing wrong side up. Take our second lobster clasp and do it the same way. Bottom facing down. Fold it over. And then we're gonna do another secure stitch. So we can just take it, for example, this bag here, clip it on our D-rings, and now you've made a strap for your bag. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions on videos that you would like in the future, please comment down below. I'd really like to get to know you, so let me know what your favorite projects are to make. Right now, mine are handbags. I find them super enjoyable, and I recently bought an industrial machine, so I'm hoping to have some videos about that in the future. Thanks for watching.
Check out my Etsy account. I have stitcherycosewing.com, which doesn't have a ton of stuff on it now, but inventory will be listed shortly. And goldbeckcreations.com for all your photo custom gifts.